Okay, so moving right along, we're gonna put an exit somewhere. And we'll make our next map. Alright, so hello everybody. We're gonna go ahead and make our new map. We are going to make the fire fort. 37. Change this to 40 by 40, maybe, possibly. Yeah, that looks about good. Alright, let's go ahead and build this thing. So. Really, it's got to be boring for you guys to watch me build stuff, especially because I'm not super skilled at it. And I don't like the way that looks. Hold on. Not a fan. Not a fan of that at all. There we go. Probably like that more. I like that more. We're going to stick a guy here. He's not going to move until later. We need a guard. And the guard is... maybe we'll just use one of these guys. Yeah, sure. This guy right here. Pass. Whoa. I don't remember. Did we make the fire crystal before? Without? How about this? All of the crystals. Our guardians. Okay. So he goes on this little spiel anytime you try to get by him. And up here, we'll go ahead and put our next guy. which will look like what? I don't know. Cyrus, you are now the Fire Guardian. Fire Guardian Cyrus, sure. And, oh, I forgot to check what his thingy is. Warrior 1, okay. I don't know why I just went by that. And that's all we're going to do right now. Actually, I'll change you to random so you look like you're wandering around. Okay? That's all we're going to do with you so far. And the next we're going to do is make another map. So we gotta make the ruins. Runes, check. Runes, where are you? I just saw it. There it is. Make it big again. Like my big maps. Okay. Okay, this is where we are going to have our encounter with our first boss. OMG, guys. Alright, let's see. Good enough. Let's go ahead and just make a path. Okay, so for our first boss battle,